Good morning everyone, my name is Taishan and I'm excited to share with you my internship experience today. My internship company is Intern Limited, a global provider of engineering solutions for the offshore, marine and energy industries. My internship period was from 2nd June to 4th September. My mentor from the Southern University College was Mr. Vincent, and my company supervisor was Miss Janet. I truly appreciate their support throughout this internship journey. Thank you. I am currently a Year 3 student at SCLC. As part of the course requirement, all students need to complete an internship and join the internship as a member of the Information Cybersecurity team. In this video, I would like to showcase what I have learned as a cross-domain intern, combining software engineering and cybersecurity. This has been the main focus in ICS and a key milestone for me, moving from software development lifecycle to a secure software development lifecycle. Intern was formed in 2023 through the acquisition of Capable Corporation Offshore and Marine Business by Sembcorp Marine. Intern's slogan is Engineering Our Future Together. Its mission is to provide innovative and sustainable marine and offshore engineering solutions that meet the evolving needs of clients while delivering the high-quality service that prioritize safety, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. This is our group photo taken on the team bonding day. The deviation system is designed to standardize and streamline the handling of user requests that fall outside established policies. Once a request is submitted, it is reviewed by the tech risk manager and then progresses through a three-tier approval process to ensure each deviation is thoroughly evaluated and appropriately managed. The three-tier process consists of approval from respective head of department, followed by the ICS head. If the ICS head is unable to make a decision, the final approval may be escalated to the GIOT head. The system is being developed to digitalize and simplify the current workflow, transitioning from the manual paperwork to an automated application. Additionally, by digitizing the process, data becomes more manageable, securely stored, and easier to maintain over time. Next, I would like to present a summary of the weekly logbook. The development process closely resembles an agile iterative approach. Initially, I received the project title from Ms. Janet. This was followed by a discussion to clarify and refine the requirement. I then drafted the initial concept using Canva and the Explore Potentials tool to support the project. For the initiative, we selected Microsoft Power Apps to digitize the workflow, utilizing the Microsoft Dataverse as the data storage solution. Development proceeded incrementally, function by function, flow by flow. Each cycle, spanning several weeks, can be viewed and iterative, comprising the communication, requirement gathering, design, development, review, and refinement. So, to gather the requirement, I need to explore the necessary tasks and skills, identify how they could be applied to the system. The process involves visualizing the concept, implementing it in Canva, presenting it to my supervisor to review, then to refining it based on the feedback. Finally, the system will undergo the initial deployment, followed by thorough testing to ensure functionality and reliability before being officially launched for use. Once the user has the access to the deviation system, they will be redirected into this page. So later I will explain on the header part. For the guide, they can see to know better why they need to use this system, the difference between the threat risk deviation and vulnerability deviation. For the second button, they can use to access the threat risk deviation part. And for the third, they can use to request the vulnerability deviation and input the several CVE score to know the risk level. So when they click, they can preview the previous requests they have made in the system. Next, this user interface displays the approval page for the respective head of departments. Regarding the vulnerability deviation, this filter the deviation based on the unique identifiers. Then the HOD can see the vulnerability details and the CVE to judge whether to approve or reject to the restriction of no. This is the UI for the Tech Risk Manager. During my internship, I have faced several challenges. First and foremost, to develop a good and have a better understanding on the system, so I need to know the knowledge inside the system. So I have sought the help from my supervisor to know what is the actual meaning of the terms inside the form and how to simplify the form and how to actually know the what is in the attribute in the form. Because we cannot just put the text field inside, also we need to put some drop down box and make some default value that user cannot change with the form. And also the tech risk deviation is about the policy, so I also need to solve how the policy is really done and how to make the exception for this question. Secondly is the collaboration problem, because the system is developed in a local environment, which I need to seek for the access from the admin to give the new environment to deploy or to development. And also, I have used the connector named Microsoft Dataverse, which is a business connector. But also to do the authentication, I need to use the Office 365 users to get the data and do the authentication part and distinguish the role-based control. To solve this problem, I also seek the help from my supervisor to push out the problem and make the process more faster. For the trial type problem, because I need to take an hour to go to the company and an hour to back the company, so I need to wake up at around 5:30 and be on time to the bus stop at 6:25 something. Yeah. Then after that, the company bus maybe will be late and I will have a panic attack that whether I need to wait for the bus or take the public transport to go home. So to solve this problem, for the waiting time in the bus stop, I will see whether they have the colleagues around me, is they still there or they already go to the company. And also need to be accustomed to the time and be self-disciplined to wake up on time and be punctual and do not be late. During my internship, I have gained valuable knowledge and skills in several areas. First and foremost, I deepened my understanding about cybersecurity, including the concept of technical risk deviation, vulnerability deviation, and the relevant policies and standards. Also, the overall deviation process lifecycle. Secondly, I enhanced my technical skill by working intensively with Power Apps, which is used the Power FX as the language, allowed me to perform the local development more effectively. Lastly, I have improved my communication skill by actively engaging with the infra team to resolve the issues. I learned that if you do not speak out, the problem will be persist and process will be hindered. This experience has also strengthened my problem-solving ability, not by relying on a single fixed answer, but by evaluating the different possibilities to determine or develop the most suitable solution, even when there is no perfect one. To put out into a nutshell, I'm deeply grateful to these friendly and high-efficiently teams. I will continue learning and achieve the goals set previously, which is from software development lifecycle to secure software development lifecycle. And I promise that I will apply the gained knowledge of behavior in future. Lastly, thanks for your listening. I believe that the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.